Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the smartest tech to level up your content, workspace, and digital life. Today, we're talking microphones, specifically the Audio-Technica AT2020USB-X, a plug-and-play USB condenser mic that's aimed at podcasters, streamers, voiceover artists, and content creators of all kinds. This mic promises professional quality sound, simple USB connectivity, and a sleek, no-fuss design. But is it really worth it over other USB mics in the market? And more importantly, is it the right mic for your setup? Let's break it down. First impressions and design. Right out of the box, the AT2020USB-X gives off a clean, professional vibe. Audio-Technica has kept things minimal here. Matte black body, understated branding, and just enough edge in the design to feel modern without looking flashy. The mic is built solid. It's got that cold metal feel that tells you this isn't some plastic toy. It comes with a compact tripod desk stand, a pivoting mount, and a USB-C to USB-A cable, plus a USB-C adapter, which is a nice touch if you're plugging directly into a MacBook or modern laptop. Now, the included stand is decent, but it's pretty low profile. If you want to avoid leaning into your mic, I'd recommend pairing this with a boom arm or shock mount, especially if you're recording for long periods or trying to avoid desk vibrations. Overall, very sleek, very solid, and totally creator-ready. Setup and compatibility. Setup is exactly what you want it to be. Stupid simple. No drivers, no weird software. Just plug it in, select it as your input in your DAW or streaming app, and you're good to go. It works with Windows, Mac OS, and pretty much any recording software from OBS and Audacity to Premiere Pro and GarageBand. There's a handy mix control dial on the front, which lets you blend between your live mic input and your computer audio. So if you're monitoring your voice while also hearing music, interviews, or gameplay, this knob is your best friend. You've also got a touch-sensitive mute button with an LED ring, red for mute, blue for active. It's responsive and silent, which is great when you need to mute without picking up a loud click in your recording. So yeah, this thing is plug-and-play perfection. Audio quality, studio level for USB. Let's get to the most important part. How does it sound? In one word, clean. This mic delivers 24-bit 96 kHz resolution, which is higher than most USB mics in its price range. The sound is detailed, balanced, and has a nice clarity to it, without being overly harsh or sibilant. It's a cardioid condenser mic, which means it focuses on whatever's directly in front of it while minimizing noise from the sides and back. Perfect for vocal work, especially in untreated rooms. If you're recording YouTube voiceovers, streaming, or doing remote podcasting, your voice will sound full and natural right out of the box. No post-processing required. Just a bit of EQ or compression in your DAW, and you're golden. And yes, it's sensitive. So if you're next to a fan, tapping your desk, or typing on a loud keyboard, it can pick those up. But that's part of the deal with condenser mics. A pop filter and smart mic placement go a long way. Monitoring and features. The AT2020USB-X has a zero-latency headphone jack built in, so you can monitor your audio in real time without any delay. That's huge for live recordings, or if you're doing Twitch streams and want to hear exactly what your audience hears. Audio-Technica also added a gain control knob, which lets you adjust your mic input level directly on the device. No diving into software menus. There's no onboard effects or DSP like some competitors have, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker. The goal here is clean, uncolored sound, and the AT2020USB-X delivers exactly that. What we liked. Professional grade sound for a USB mic. Clean, minimalist design. Plug and play with both Mac and PC. Zero latency headphone monitoring. USB-C connection, future-proof. Physical gain control and mix dial. Touch-sensitive mute button with LED. For creators who want reliable, clear, studio-quality audio without investing in XLR setups, this mic nails it. What could be better? Included desk stand is a bit short. You'll likely want a boom arm. No shock mount in the box. Minor vibrations can get picked up. No software bundle or presets for beginners. Picks up ambient noise if you're not in a quiet space. Also worth noting. If you want onboard DSP, multiple polar patterns, or RGB lighting, this mic doesn't have any of that. But that's by design. It's all about simplicity and quality here. Who it's best for. The AT2020 USB-X is ideal for podcasters, voice actors, and YouTubers. Streamers who want a pro sound without the XLR hassle. Remote workers or professionals who need crystal clear voice on Zoom. Beginner to intermediate creators upgrading from a headset mic or Blue Yeti. It's especially great for anyone who just wants to plug in and record without needing an audio interface or external preamp. Final verdict. So, is the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB-X worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a high-quality USB mic that delivers pro-level audio, fits easily into most setups, and just works without needing a complicated interface or mixer, this is one of the best out there. It's not overloaded with bells and whistles, but what it does really well. We're giving the AT2020 USB-X a strong 9 out of 10. Fantastic sound, easy setup, and just the right blend of pro performance and plug-and-play convenience. Want to grab one for yourself? Check out the link in the description to see current pricing and availability on Amazon. It might just be the smartest audio upgrade you make this year. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest smart gear. Thanks for watching Modern Gadget Guy. Catch you in the next one.